Djoungou is located 1,222 kilometers southwest of Diego Garcia and has moved eastward at 11 kilometers per hour, 6 knots, over the past 6 hours. Categories or estimated forecasts are provided by JTWC. Wind speeds and categorizations may differ from forecasts provided by local meteorological agencies. Djoungou appears to be rapidly forming a compact inner core structure within an environment consisting of very warm sea surface temperatures, light shear, and deep moisture. These conditions are expected to persist for the next 36 to 48 hours as Djoungou tracks eastward, guided by a mid-latitude long with trough well to the southeast. Additionally, Djoungou will pass over an eddy of locally higher ocean heat content values, in excess of 60 kilojoules/cm, during the 24 to 48 hour period. This environment is likely to facilitate rapid intensification, RI, in the near term, and statistical RI aids support this with 40,160% probabilities of RI during the next 2 days. The JTWC intensity forecast brings Djoungou to typhoon intensity, 65 knots, in 24 hours and to 185 kilometers per hour, 100 knots, in 2 days. Peak intensity is likely to occur between 2 and 3 days as the cyclone approaches the subtropical jet, benefiting from constructive interference with a 240 km per hour, 130 knots, jet streak to the southeast that will provide significant up-level divergent forcing over the cyclone. By 3 days, wind shear will increase dramatically as Djoungou nears the jet axis, and the cyclone's accelerating southeastward motion along the jet will bring it over cooler waters, ultimately lower than 26°C by 5 days, leading to rapid weakening. Most dynamical models predict that Djoungou will begin extratropical transition around 4 days, ultimately becoming absorbed into a frontal boundary by 5 days. There is significant along-track spread during the 72 to 120 hour period due to uncertainty in how quickly the cyclone will vertically decouple and whether the mid-latitude trough will fully entrain it. Dynamical model guidance has fairly tight cross-track spread through the forecast period, but a long-track spread grows dramatically during the 72 to 120 hour period. The JTWC forecast is close to the multi-model consensus, but leans towards the slower ECMWF ensemble mean, and GFS ensemble mean beyond 3 days due to better run-to-run consistency. The JTWC intensity forecast is a bit above the multi-model consensus, taking into account the expectation for rapid intensification during the first 2 days. Maximum significant wave height is 4.3 meters, 14 feet.